Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here in this operation it doesn't really matter if you will be on the photo or the video mode, because all of the options for both modes are in the one place. So all we have to do right now is to simply not keep tapping, but tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner to enter the settings. And now let's scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got the video section, and at the very first position we've got the video resolution, so the option we're looking for. As you can see, your device will differentiate the resolution for the rear camera and the front camera. So let me pick, for example, rear camera. And after tapping on it, you can see that we've got two different options only. Both of them are with FHD and 1080p. The only difference is with frames per second. Currently, we've got 30 frames per second applied. As you can see, this option is marked. And we can change it to 60 frames per second. So just tap on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied right here, which means that from now on, your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.